Do you want to know the correct sitting posture while studying? Or how to sit properly for long hours? Then you are in the right place. You should know the benefits of correct sitting posture and how to sit properly. So let's start. Hello students, welcome to Alan Overseas. Today we are going to talk about the correct sitting posture while studying with some more valuable things. Most students do not sit straight or slouch and believe that as long as we can study, it does not matter how we sit. But researchers suggest otherwise. Studies have shown that poor sitting posture directly affects our muscles and may have psychological factors such as confidence, lack of energy, concentration, memory loss, focus, cognitive stress, etc. etc. In addition, poor sitting posture while studying can result into bad mood, wavering focus, and disoriented cognitive skills. Hence, students must embrace the correct sitting posture to make the most out of their study time. So what's the correct sitting posture while studying? Well, let's have a look. Whether sitting or standing, the best posture for studying is when all the curves of your vertebral column at your neck, mid-back and lower back are correctly maintained and aligned. Bending your spine too much or putting excessive pressure on it can harm your body. Now, how to sit properly? Follow the tips. Sit while keeping your back straight. Do not lean forward and ensure your back is well rested on the chair. You can also use a pillow, cushion or a rolled up blanket for your back to rest it properly on the chair. Keep your feet flat on the ground and your knees and hips at the same level. Avoid sitting with your legs dangling. Sit in a vertical position with your feet firmly pressed on the floor. Your shoulders should be relaxed with your elbows close to your sides. Put your study material or computer screen at eye level to avoid slouching for reading the content. Next, how should you sit while reading? Sit on a chair with your back straight and feet touching the floor. Tuck your chin downwards towards your neck and keep it even with your shoulders. Put your books close to your eyes to avoid slouching. In addition, your furniture placement also plays a vital role in your sitting posture. So here we have some furniture placement tips. Sit on a comfortable, adjustable chair that supports your back while slouching. Adjust your chair so you'll have sufficient space for your knees and your feet should be firmly placed on the ground. Support your elbows with armrest to avoid putting pressure on your arms and elbows. The desk should be high and big enough to provide space for your knees and accommodate all your study material. The computer screen should be placed at eye level to prevent slouching and at arm's length to avoid eye straining. The keyboard should be placed near your stomach to avoid moving your arms too much. It will also prevent you from overworking your shoulder muscles while studying. Put your wrists in a neutral position and support your arms on the desk while working with a keyboard and a mouse. Always study with adequate lighting. Too dim lighting may lead to long-term eye issues and headaches. Furthermore, you should mind your posture while studying on the bed or floor. When you are studying on the floor, it is recommended to sit cross-legged. Put your body's weight on your hips rather than your legs. For better comfort, you can also sit on a cushion or place it between your knees to minimize the pressure on your back. On bed, sit with your back pressed against the headboard or wall and put not more than 2 pillows to support your back. Use a small bed table to position your books and avoid putting them on your lap as you'll have to slouch to study that way. Don't sit too comfortably or you'll fall asleep. Follow these tips to improve your sitting posture. Still, if you have any query or suggestions, please tell us in the comment box. We will get back to you within 24 hours. Stay with us.